Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the headphones and getting the PC ready. Turn on your Beat Studio Pro and confirm the LED shows pairing mode. If it does not, press and hold the power button until it blinks. On your PC, open Settings, go to Bluetooth and Devices and switch Bluetooth on. Once done, make sure your Beats have recent firmware. Update from the Beats app on a phone first if possible so pairing is smoother. Now pair the devices. In Windows, click Add Device and choose Bluetooth. Watch the device list and select Beat Studio Pro when it appears. If it doesn't show, toggle Bluetooth off and on or bring headphones closer. When Windows requests a PIN, accept the default or confirm on screen. Most Beats pair without a code. Once paired, set Beats as the default playback and communication device in sound settings so apps use them for audio and voice automatically. Finish by verifying audio. Open Sound Settings and choose Beat Studio Pro for output and, if needed, input. Test audio and microphone in an app or the Windows Sound Test. If audio quality is low or connection drops, move away from USB 3. Zero ports and crowded wireless devices, interference often causes issues. If pairing fails, run the Windows Bluetooth troubleshooter. As a last resort, reset the Beats by holding power plus noise cancel/mode button for about 10 seconds. Then repair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.